Afternoon, respected sir and my dear friends. Today I am here to give a PPT on Indian Coast Guard. Indian Coast Guard is a maritime law enforcement and research agency which was established in 1978 under the Act of Indian Coast Guard Act by Government of India. Its headquarters is located in New Delhi and its motto is Vayam Rakshama, means we protect. Basically, Indian Coast Guard governs sea in such a way that from land, the region of 12 nautical miles is territorial sea. So, this territorial sea region or 12 nautical mile region is a region where we can develop the ports and do trades. Also, protect the sea water. Then, above from 12 nautical miles, when we come to 24 nautical miles from baseline, it is a contiguous zone in which Coast Guard starts patrolling and see any kind of illegal activity is not happening in this region. When we come to 200 nautical miles from baseline, that is exclusive economic zone, then it is a, we can say, the trade path and also the patrolling path for Coast Guard, and Indian Coast Guard can do patrolling and trade work also here. If, beyond this 200 nautical mile, it is international waters. Maritime law enforcement. This is one of the main key function of Indian Coast Guard, which we have studied before. Now, Indian Coast Guard also plays a very major and important role in rescue and research. It plays a crucial role in sea search and rescue operation, assisting fishermen and other distresses. Anti-smuggling operation. Indian Coast Guard also plays a very important role in finding any kind of illegal activity or smuggling activity happening at the coastal line. It also do and take legal actions on those people. Environmental protection. Indian Coast Guard plays a very important role in protecting the environment of the coastal region. As any kind of mishappening happens, then Indian Coast Guard has 3 pollution control vessels. Through those pollution control vessels, Indian Coast Guard can control the marine pollution. Now we come to leadership and organization. Indian Coast Guard organization headquarters is in New Delhi, and it is under 26th Director General of Indian Coast Guard, Shri Paramesh Sivamani. Director General of Coast Guard is the highest rank in Indian Coast Guard, and under this headquarter there are 4 Deputy Director Generals of rank Inspector General, and it is also important to know that the rank of Director General of Indian Coast Guard is equivalent to Vice Admiral of Indian Navy. Further, Indian Coast Guard has 2 seaboards, Eastern Seaboard and Western Seaboard. Both are governed by the commandant level rank officer, and further these seaboards have 4 regions. There is a separate 5th region known as Andaman and Nicobar region that directly reports to headquarters New Delhi. Coast Guard Seaboard, that is Western Seaboard, whose regional headquarters is Mumbai, and Eastern Seaboard, whose headquarters is Visakhapatnam. Further, there are Coast Guard regions, Northwest region, whose headquarters is Gandhinagar and which covers the region of Setwara, Bed to Umregaon. Then Western region, that regional headquarters is Mumbai and it covers region of Daman to Kanyakumari. Then Eastern region comes with regional headquarters Chennai, and which covers the region covered Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. Then we come to Northeast region, headquarters is in Kolkata and covers the region of West Bengal and Odisha. Also, Andaman and Nicobar is the separate region which directly reports to headquarters, and its regional headquarters is Port Blair and covers region from North Island to Indra Point. Further, these Coast Guard region are divided into district regions also. Now we come to rank ignitia of commissioned officer. First there is assistant commandant after phase 2, then assistant commandant under probation, then assistant commandant, deputy commandant, commandant junior grade, commandant, deputy inspector general, deputy inspector general 3 years seniority, inspector general, additional director general and director general. Also, there is rank ignitia for non-commissioned officers such as Yantrik, then Uttam Yantrik, followed Pradhan Yantrik, Sahayak Engineer, Uttam Sahayak Engineer and Pradhan Sahayak Engineer. Further, as of November 2024, Indian Coast Guard has 182 ships and 78 aircrafts, while it is estimated that Indian Coast Guard has 200 ships and 100 aircraft by 2030. Also, it has 55 to 60 surface platforms and 10 to 12 aircraft and deployed on patrol daily. Now there are some Indian Coast Guard ships that are Samarth, Shaurya, Sachet, Saksham, Shanuk and Sujit. Further we come to airplane that Indian Coast Guard has Dornier 228, helicopter like Dhruv, Chetak. Now we come to Coast Guard exercises. At national level, Indian Coast Guard does National Maritime Search and Rescue Exercise with regional level pollution response exercise and joint exercise with other countries like bilateral exercise with US, that is Vajra Prahar, with France it is Shakti, with Japan it is Sahyog Kaijin, with Vietnam it is Sahyog OPTAC. Thank you.